All right, guys. So this is your challenge for you. I want you guys to figure out how to do a chair flip with your model kit, right? So here's all the red ones are in an equatorial position all around the wing, like an equator. All the white ones in this case are in an axial position. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a video of yourself doing the flip, flip, nay, nay, where what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this in a way that all of the red hydrogens become axial and all the white hydrogens become equatorial. So I'm just gonna show you, it's two sort of dance moves. And once I do that, check this out. See, all the hydrogens that are white are now in the equatorial position, and the red ones are actually in the axial position. So thinking backwards, what's the definition of a chair flip? It's when all axial hydrogens become equatorial and all equatorial hydrogens become axial. And so once you guys know how to do this flip, flip, nay, nay, you can just kind of keep doing that. And in fact, chairs are always flipping back and forth at room temperature. Okay,